But just, I realize this is probably unnecessary for this audience, but just to be clear, when we're talking about biases, we're typically talking about systematic deviations from normative decision making. And the systematic part is important. So, everyone gets things wrong. So if you look at this figure here, the top right quadrant is just, random noise in the accuracy of these darts, let's call them. Whereas if the top left one is showing some sort of systematic bias. So all of the darts on average are being skewed up and to the left. And so that's the systematic part of the bias. And if that's the case, then there's something systematic going wrong. And so there's some opportunity to think about what's causing that and see if we can do something about it. Within the biases space, there are there's a broad distinction between motivational biases. So these are resulting from deliberate choices, misaligned incentives, where people are being incentivized in some way to do something other than what would be optimal for the company, perhaps. The ones I'm more interested in, though, are the cognitive biases. These are ones that occur without anyone wanting to do something. They're not trying to get a particular result. It's just resulting from normal human cognition. So not even, sometimes we talk about flaws in cognition, but these biases aren't, errors specifically. They're just occur because of the way human cognition works. And it's because, we're operating in a very complex world with limited cognitive resources. So our brain is designed to take shortcuts to produce answers that are good enough most of the time. And when we apply that in some situations, we get these systematic biases.